go mess with some relatives.
Wait, you overheating on this thing? Hey! What's up, brother? Get on to me, man. The boy's getting away, man. Yeah, what's going on, man? Oh shit, dude, I can't believe it. God damn. You guys drive out? You drive out here? Or? Oh shit. I can't believe it, man. Oh shit, that's great. Oh, no shit, dude. Hey, you had me going, man. We should drive. Hey.
Yeah.
You still got a problem? Hey.
What's that?
You still got a problem?
No, I don't think so.
This guy did. Raise his hand on. You ever seen him?
Yes, I've seen him.
What the hell? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I said, I'm going to shoot that son of a bitch. You got that puzzle or something? Who is this bird?
Outstanding.
We drove out here, didn't even
Did y'all really? Oh, you guys set this whole thing up.
I saw James from y'all out here looking, and then you jumped it back. And I said, son, I see him.
Man, this is your Uncle Mike. You know, you don't even know him, man.
Did.
Yeah.
Huh? See what they were trying to do was saw the hood up there.
That's the best thing I could think of.
Man, look, we'd love to tear some ass.
Ass is tearing today, brother.
Go over there and grab a handful of that goddamn oregano and just eat it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, what's happening?
Get the video of the arrival.
Video of all the folks. Jeez, when did y'all leave?
Dude, Friday night, man.
Yeah.
We've been on the road all weekend.
You know, it wasn't that bad drive.
Not too bad, actually.
Worst part was that first
Switched off.
night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Email her?
What, snow? No, I didn't talk to her since.
Well, because you said you were going to email her.
Well, I was going to find out what the story was.
Well, I'd been online, and I called Dad a little